Hello friends, today we are going to make pakoras or bhaji from ajwain leaves. These are very healthy leaves. This easily grows in the pot. If you just put the leaf, it grows well. So for me it has grown up quite a lot. So I'll take some healthy leaves. Can take from cutter as well or directly through the hand. Now properly clean these leaves, and I have soaked that in water. We have taken 1 bowl of gram flour or besan and have taken 1 glass of water. We'll start mixing that. You take gram flour according to how much quantity you are preparing. We are using this whisker. You can do with hand as well, but just be sure that you add water slowly so that no lumps are formed. Mixture should be very smooth. So in rainy season it is very good to have bhaji or pakoras. These are tasty as well. By the time we'll heat the oil in the pan or in the kadhai, we have put the refined oil. This is rice bran oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So we are adding salt to it as per taste. Then we'll be adding ajwain or carom seeds. So this also enhances the taste, and we'll mix it properly. You can add pinch of chaat masala into it. This will enhance the taste, and mix it properly. As you can see, it's still a bit thick, and we'll add a little bit of more water and mix it properly. So the mixture is fine now. You can see it smoothly coming out from the whisker. So most of you already might be knowing how to make pakoras, so you know that pretty well. But still, if that is the case, so you can see it should be of this consistency. So the pan is still getting hot and oil is still not properly hot. So we'll put the material into it once some smoke starts coming out of it. So we are waiting for that. So now there is smoke and we'll start making it. So you can dip the leaf in the mixture. Make sure there is sufficient material on that, and you just need to put that. After it's hot, oil is hot, you can reduce the flame. So we are waiting for these pakoras to be ready and get properly prepared or cooked. We are adding all the leaves in this. We have also made the flame high because oil was not that hot. So you can adjust that after seeing how the oil is, how quickly the pakoras are getting prepared. Turn over the pakoras if these are getting properly brown. So our first one is ready and we are taking it out. waiting for others to get ready. So you can definitely try this one. It's very good during the rainy season. This ajwain leaves are also taken if you have got cold, so you can take some juice out of that leaf and can take that as well if you have cold. So this is also another method, and it's tasty as well. So our first stock is ready. You can see how crunchy these are looking, and
वाह, ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है, ये बहुत टेस्टी है। आप भी बनाओ और ये खाओ।
that's it. Enjoy it with dhania or mint chutney and enjoy the rainy weather. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please put your feedback in comments and like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.